This is my beginning at my YouTube channel, so leave a like, subscribe. Have a big plans for this channel. Top level of Gran Turismo, which is a live race, live champion. I don't know if
sorry,
Merchant Cup or something like that. I will try as hard as possible. Yeah, I seen the screen very often before. Okay. Hello, Sarah. Okay. Let's start like with aqua? No aqua. I don't want aqua. Oh no. What a hard choice. Okay, this one. Let's go. Fuck! Fuck yeah! What a beautiful car. Okay. Come on, Freshie, let's go inside. Oh, that's what she said. And Luca, you are. Go there. Then go to Europe. Autodrome Lago Maggiore. What should I do? Okay. This. Full course. Okay, never mind. I'm a beginner. But I will be expert one day. Let's go, baby. All right-handed. Oh. Done. I don't know. Okay. What is the guy doing? It's not drifting. Oh, what? Man. Yeah. Pretty crazy guy on the Mitsubishi Lancer. Were you angry and then happy? Soon you will be all angry because I'm an expert. Not expert, professional driver. Never drive with right wheel placement. Wait, he's spamming. What the heck? Oh, whoa, shit! Is that drifting? Shoot! Oh, sorry, Marcelaga. Yeah, brother. Hello. Bye. Loser. You don't see nothing, guys, okay? Don't say no one, please. This is just beginning. Bye, Nissan. Salty. Oh no. No. Oh, my first car. What the? Whoa. Oh, first place is very far away from us. No way we can. Yeah, pretty crazy, Nissan, right? I know. Braking. Oh. Where you going, bro? Bye. Dang. 5th place. Not bad. For the first race ever. Right, guys? Shall we restart? I think we shall restart this. That's our first race, but I'm not satisfied with that. And then replay. Why not? No, we're more professional right now. don't know what to do. Thank you. Stop. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. No, 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 no. Save, save. Not save. Again, this Mara mia. Nice drift. Oh, yes, Mara overtake. Wow. Crazy days, man. I'm progressing on your eyes. That's me. Yeah. By in a corner. Oh no 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 drifting, no drifting. Yes, we take hitting, up. Oh yeah, what an overtake. No, 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 no. But this car is going like a train. Third place. Not bad. Not bad. Third place. Money, 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 money. Yeah. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. See you on the next episodes of my starting journey on this Gran Turismo 7. As far as I played, very good game, very good quality, and physics is slightly different than Assetto Corsa, Competition and Forza, but I think I will learn. And someday, don't forget my big dream, to be on stage on Gran Turismo Grand Finale. Thank you for watching guys.